Namaste everyone. Whenever you export any Excel file from anywhere else, then the data imported by you may be looking like numbers, but it may not be in the number format. Why I'm saying this, guys? Just see here. Let me select these three numbers and you can see what is displayed here. It is displayed text. Let me show you. So these are in the text format and I cannot perform any mathematical calculation and do any text analyzation. Now let us see why. So if I try to increase the decimal or decrease the decimal, or I want to perform any mathematical calculations, I cannot do. So to solve this problem, to convert this format into the number format, I need a formula that is written here in the yellow ribbon, which we are going to discuss today. So now let us do it. So let us start typing it, guys. Number value. So number value. So text. This is the text. And decimal separator, guys. You know it very well that the decimal separator always separates the integer part and the fractional part of the number. Okay. So I will be writing it in double inverted commas like this. So this will be my decimal separator. Okay, sorry, I have written here commas 2 times. So I will do the correction. And group separator. So now, guys, you know what is the group separator. This comma is the group separator. As in European system, you know how we represent thousands, millions, billions, trillions like that. So that would be called as group separator. Now here group separator is comma. So inverted commas, then again comma. Look at this carefully, what I am doing. Close the braces, guys. Now this formula is ready, and whenever it is executed, it will convert whole of this text value into numbers. Now you can see here, guys, it had been converted into the numbers. And if you want in proper format, you can increase the decimals like this. It will give you the answer in the proper format, whatever you want. Now let me drag it down and repeat the same process for others. So now you can see how it beautifully represented everything and converted everything into the number format. Now one thing I want to tell you guys that this formula will work only for those formats that are convertible into number format. Why I'm saying this now? Let us say if I write something like this. Now you can see this text is mixed one and I cannot convert this. Okay. So you have to be careful while choosing your data. Okay. So I hope you understood this concept. The concept of converting a text into the number value. So if you are liking my video content, then do appreciate me with a thumbs up and like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.